Hello everyone, distinguished guests, partners and participants. It's my pleasure to take part in the Moldovan Business Gala organized by the Chamber of Commerce and Industry to award the winners of the Trademark of the Year contest. This year, for the first time, the private companies had the opportunity to compete for a Business Integrity Award, a joint initiative of the United Nations Development Programme and the National Anti-Corruption Center. Corruption is a complex social, political and economic phenomenon that affects both public and private sectors in all countries. Preventing and combating corruption requires a comprehensive and a multidisciplinary approach involving all members of society, government, the private sector, civil society, organizations and the general public. Every year, $1 trillion is paid in bribes, with an estimated 2.6 trillion are stolen annually through corruption, a sum that is equivalent to more than 5% of the global GDP. And according to UNDP, the funds lost to corruption in developing countries are estimated 10 times of the amount of the official development assistance. And these figures, they become even much more important as the world struggles to fight COVID-19 pandemic and its social and economic impact, especially on the poorer countries. So tackling corruption has been recognized by the international community as a key precondition for ensuring sustainable development, maintaining the security of the society, protecting human rights, reducing poverty, protecting the environment for future generations. And the SDGs, and specifically SDG 16, on peace, justice, and strong institutions of the Global Development Agenda 2030, calls for a substantial reduction of the corruption and bribery in all their forms by 2030, developing effective, accountable, and transparent institutions at all levels, and ensuring responsive, inclusive, participatory, and representative decision-makings at all levels. Private sector plays a crucial role in curbing corruption. By adopting a zero-tolerance attitude towards corruption, it can promote fair competition, put in place policies to promote a fair and just business environment and a transparent and honest interaction with public sector, thus to support sustainable development and economic growth. With this Business Integrity Award, we want to encourage innovative initiatives and examples of positive action and leadership in promoting integrity in business. Applying the integrity standards and strong corruption prevention mechanisms can be more efficient and less costly than fighting the consequences of corruption for both the private and the public entities. The United Nations Convention Against Corruption, UNCAC, the world's only global legal instrument against corruption, requires the state parties to take the necessary measures to strengthen the prevention and fight against corruption in the private sector. Besides the requirement to provide penalties for failure to comply with anti-corruption measures, the Convention also provides for promotion and use of good commercial practices by businesses in the contractual relations of businesses with the state. We believe that Business Integrity Award is an important step towards promoting good practices and raising integrity standards among businesses in the Republic of Moldova. This initiative relies on the shift of the integrity policies from the focus on the deterrence and enforcement towards promoting values-based decision and foster greater trust. This resonates with the recently enforced anti-corruption policies in the Republic of Moldova, such as the Integrity Law and the National Integrity and Anti-Corruption Strategy 2017-2020. The documents provide for a paradigm shift from fighting corruption to setting and strengthening robust integrity systems and introduce private sector as an important pillar in the national integrity system. I want to thank the nominees for your interest in building an integrity climate in your companies and thus for contributing to strengthening the integrity system in Moldova. We believe that an honest business is a prosperous business and that success cannot be purchased. Those who choose legal and honest paths in business must be encouraged and supported in all ways. UNDP, together with the National Anti-Corruption Center, aims to encourage the business building genuine integrity systems to ensure compliance with the integrity standards and show the whole country that success goes hand in hand with integrity. Let me conclude by thanking the Chamber of Commerce in partnership with us and the National Anti-Corruption Center for organizing this competition and being open to promoting inclusiveness and innovation in preventing corruption. I am sure that this partnership will result in greater sustainability of the integrity system in Moldova. I do wish to reiterate our strong engagement to continue our support to Moldova in its commitment to prevent corruption, strengthen the rule of law, integrity, transparency, and accountability of governance at all levels. Thank you very much.